Imagine that you are going to furnish an apartment from scratch. You could go out buying a sofa, table, and lamp each from one place, risking that the colors and styles match. Or you can go to a store and say, "I want the Scandinavian line." In minutes, you receive a complete set that matches each other. Sofa, table, chairs, rug, lamp. Everything talks in the same tone. This is the image I want you to keep to understand abstract factory. Instead of choosing loose pieces, you choose a theme, and you come up with a coherent kit. In any organized system, coherence helps everyone's life. Think of a wedding. The ceremonialist offers packages: classic, beachy, rustic. Each package already features decoration, buffet, music, and souvenirs designed to work together. The couple chooses the package, and the team takes care of all the items in that universe. With this, the result is harmonious and the assembly is much smoother. Abstract factory exists to solve this kind of problem, when you need several different elements that, together, form a single, consistent experience. To put it simply, abstract factory is a way to choose a pack of related things at once. You don't decide item by item. You decide on the theme, and you get the complete set that matches. If tomorrow you want another style, you change the theme, and like magic, the whole set changes with it, without messing up who wears these things. It's the store that understands that you want Scandinavian today and industrial tomorrow, and delivers ready-made kits for every choice. Imagine a school that needs to issue badges to students, teachers, and visitors. Instead of buying paper, tapes, and plastic separately, and letting each concierge choose in its own way, the management defines packages: blue line, green line, orange line. Each line determines the badge material, the color of the ribbon, the type of printing, and even the tone of the back. The concierge only chooses which line to use in that period, and from then on, all the badges from that shift come out matching. If the following month the school changes from the blue line to the green line, the concierge only turns the key of the package and the whole set accompanies the decision. This story sums up the spirit of the abstract factory. Many people confuse this concept with what we explain in the factory method video. The factory method, counter, decides which variation of a single item to deliver, which model of popular car, which French bread, which large coffee. It is a one-off decision about a piece. Abstract factory, on the other hand, is about families of items. It's not just the sofa, it's the sofa with the table, the chair, and the lamp that combine with each other. It's not just the badge, it's the badge along with the ribbon and label, all from the same package. The first solves which version of this item. The second solves which whole set are we going to adopt. Think of a smart home. You can assemble an entire ecosystem from the same manufacturer, and then all the lamps, cameras, locks, and sockets understand each other and follow the same application. Or you can mix brands, run after adapters, and hope that everything works the same. When you choose an ecosystem and receive a kit of devices that speak the same language, you are living the logic of the abstract factory. The choice of package makes daily life easier, avoids surprises, and gives identity to the house. In team practice, choosing a package reduces endless discussions. Instead of each person advocating for the color of the badge ribbon or lanyard material each week, the decision becomes, which package are we using now? The answer defines all the details of that group of items. This saves time, reduces errors, and creates a unique face for the product or service. Also, changing the package is easier than changing piece by piece. You turn the key of style and move on, without reconfiguring the world. It works very well when there are groups of things that need to go together, such as visual identity, set of components of a product, elements repeated on several pages, or equipment kits for different environments. If your context requires the experience to be consistent, choosing a theme and receiving the right kit brings peace to the team and predictability to those who use it. It's also great when you know that, over time, you'll want to swap out the entire theme without starting over from scratch. Having the package encapsulated as a single decision makes the change light. If you only need a single item, the idea of a bundle may be overkill. If there is no need for several pieces to match, better choose what you need, and that's it. Another case is when each piece really needs to be different, customized according to a very specific request. The attempt to push a package then becomes an obstacle. Abstract factory shines when there is an identity that needs to repeat itself. If each thing is unique in nature, it is better to assume this diversity. Imagine an app that offers 3 themes: light, dark, and high contrast. Each theme defines background colors, text color, button tones, and field appearance. By changing the theme, the whole set follows. You don't go out exchanging color for color in each place. You choose the package and go. Another example is a hotel that has 3-room experiences: classic, contemporary, and minimalist. Each experience features a headboard, bedding, lamps, and matching paintings. The front desk marks in the system which experience that guest has chosen, and the governance floor already knows exactly which set to assemble. Commercial systems deal with scale and branding. Accurate scale of repetition with quality. Brand needs recognizable identity. Ready-made packages deliver both. Once the set is defined, all contact points repeat the same pattern, and maintenance becomes simpler. If tomorrow the brand changes from blue to green, the new package is activated and the customer's eye sees the change consistently. It's like changing the uniform of the entire team with a single announcement, instead of going store to store asking each one to change on their own. There is, however, a caution. The package should not become a magic box that no one understands. The team needs to know what the kit covers and what it doesn't. Does it define colors, fonts, and buttons? Very good. Does it also set text, photos, and tone of voice? Maybe not. If the package tries to solve the world, it becomes heavy, becomes a reason for fighting, and loses the simplicity that gave it birth. Abstract factory is about practical coherence. Exaggerations transform coherence into rigidity. I like to use the metaphor of franchising. In a good franchise, you enter the store in any city and recognize the environment: counters, menu, signage, uniform. This does not happen by chance. There is an identity kit that each store adopts. You don't ask for the color of the counter city by city. This comes from the package. When someone new arrives on the team, the explanation is simple. We have some approved kits. We chose one for this project. Everything in the kit follows the same line. The rest we can decide locally. The person understands quickly without having to memorize loose rules. Sooner or later, every organization decides to change its face, to revise tones, to change fonts, to adopt a new experience. If everything was built with the idea of kits, the transition flows. You set the date, turn on the new package, and follow small adjustments. If it was done piece by piece, without a kit, the migration becomes an endless effort. It's the equivalent of changing all the furniture in a house without having chosen the new line first. It starts with a chair, then a sofa, then a table, and in the middle of the way, nothing matches. The gain of the abstract factory appears precisely in these changes of season. Let's imagine a team that takes care of an app. In the morning, the leadership decides. For this semester's version, we will adopt the contemporary theme. The designer turns on the package and refreshes the gallery. In the afternoon, the content staff notices that a card has low contrast. They don't go around inventing a new color there. Ask for an adjustment to the pack, and the kit returns with the corrected contrast everywhere that card appears. Before long, the team realizes that discussing the right package is much more productive than discussing button by button. The focus shifts from micro-decision to experience. 2 mistakes appear frequently. The first is to think that package means a lack of creativity. It's the opposite. The package provides a foundation and speeds up work, freeing up time for creativity where it matters. The second is to believe that one package fits all. It doesn't work. Different kits exist for different contexts. You don't use the beach line at a night wedding in the mountains, nor the industrial line in a children's room. Maturity lies in choosing the right kit for each moment and, When necessary, creating a new kit with a beginning, middle, and end. If you remember few things, remember these. Abstract factory is the decision to choose a theme and receive a kit. It's about families of matching items. It's about changing the whole set at once when life calls for change. It helps when consistency is golden, when the brand needs to be recognized, and when the team wants to work without remaking choices every week. Avoid when there is only one piece to decide or when each piece is unique in nature. And don't forget, a good package has clear borders. It solves what it should without trying to embrace the world. At the end of the day, abstract factory is an idea of organization that anyone understands because they live it on a daily basis. It is the store that sells the complete line, the ceremonialist that offers packages, the hotel that prepares experiences, the smart home that works as an ecosystem. When you bring this logic to your work, you gain consistency, speed, and a sense of order that is good for both creators and users. Choose the theme, receive the kit, count on the harmony of the set. That's the heart of Abstract Factory. Simple to explain, powerful to apply, and easy to recognize whenever you encounter an environment where everything seems to speak the same language.